Hello everyone, and welcome back to Military TV. In recent years, the U.S. Navy has initiated several programs leveraging autonomous technologies to expand its capabilities and resilience across various applications. The integration of unmanned surface vessels marks a strategic initiative. The program provides the Navy with versatile and cost-effective solutions for a range of maritime tasks. The USV leverages cutting-edge sensor technology, AI, and communication systems for navigation and data collection. Typically ranging from 45 to 300 feet in length, USV exhibit modular designs to accommodate diverse payloads, including surveillance equipment and electronic warfare systems. This allows easy customization for various missions, from surveillance to mine countermeasures. Early on September 18, 2023, the unmanned surface vessel Ranger docked at Fleet Activities Yokosuka in Japan. This visit was part of Integrated Battle Problem 23.2, where Ranger was meant to be tested alongside other medium and large USV, advancing unmanned teaming in the Indo-Pacific. Together with their allies, including Japan, the U.S. Navy aimed to create warfighting advantages by testing and leveraging USV capabilities. Prior to its arrival in Japan, Ranger participated in several other exercises as an autonomous watercraft. Technical issues present a significant threat, and reliability and safety are crucial. This is achieved through testing in diverse dynamic environments, such as RIMPAC, the world's largest international exercise ever. This event facilitates the integration of autonomous systems with manned systems, various ships, submarines, and aircraft, ensuring effective collaboration and communication between unmanned and manned platforms. In shallow waters, a different hull design is required. Smaller, finer, and faster. In less than 1 hour, the USV Martax Devil Ray 38 autonomously transits the Florida Strait to West Banks in the Bahamas. Maritime Tactical Systems launched this run to evaluate speed and accuracy capabilities while being able to stop to avoid collisions with other boats in the area. While this boat might appear smaller than the USV Ranger, there are many others that are even smaller. These tiny watercrafts, such as the USV Sail, showcased at the IMX event, highlight the diverse applications of drones at sea.
All units, thank you for your support in this exercise.
In the Gulf of Aqaba, the USV Sail drone explorer was observed sailing by a Royal Jordanian Navy patrol craft during the International Maritime Exercise Cutlass Express, IMXCE, the largest multinational maritime training in the Middle East. Navies from around the world converge in the Middle East to enhance partnerships and promote interoperability. Together, they test their latest innovations. Once the USV Sail drone explorer was launched into the water, the Jordanian Navy, along with the US Navy, tracked and evaluated its performance. On the other hand, the Coast Scan Eagle Guard has leveraged the advanced capabilities of In Situ's unmanned aircraft system for surveillance operations. Scan Eagle underwent testing and received approval in 2012 aboard the USCGC Stratton. For years later, the system was permanently installed on Cutter Stratton to enhance its surveillance capabilities. This unmanned aerial vehicle features digital full-motion video, providing the highest ground resolution available. It offers persistent daytime and nighttime intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance capabilities in some of the world's most extreme environments. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.